Society is an extended social group having a distinctive cultural and economic organization or a voluntary association of individuals for common needs, especially an organized group working together or periodically meeting because of common interests, beliefs, or purpose. And it is also a formal association of people with similar interests. The people share traditions, culture, laws, institutions, and values in society. They involve in each other activities regardless of caste, creed, sex, language, economic status, etc. Origin of the society. Human beings are the most creative and indifferent creature of the nature. Initially, human beings were similar to other creatures. They had no sense of unity. In the past, the present human society is a developed and a complex society, but human society in the very beginning was simple and unorganized. The hominids in the primitive age live in the forest with other animals. Their life was very difficult. Fulfillment of basic need totally depend upon nature. They had encounters with wild animals. Gradually, hominids started to live in small bands and started collective hunting. This situation contributed to sharing their feeling and collective life. The middle phase is called savagery age. During this phase, people gradually shifted towards the river banks from the dense forest area. They found life on the river banks to be more comfortable. The people settled there because of the availability of water, aquatic animals, and splendor stones. Evidence of the old human civilization have been found at the river banks like the Nile Valley, Mesopotamia, Wango, to name a few. People who existed by hunting, gathering, and fishing often live in bands of organized societies. In the bands, they started to share their feelings of happiness and harness to each other. Similarly, they had to be protected from the invasion of wild animals. They also require a collective effort for the hunting of wild animals. In this way, the need for mutual cooperation and security led to the formation of bigger bands. And finally, a human society. Human beings are social beings, and that the basic element of human society is a person. An individual makes his contribution by bringing prosperity in society. Similarly, there is no alternative of society for the human life. Regarding the need of society, it definitely plays a vital role to distinguish humans from other animals. The evolution of society has been a dynamic process. The human society has developed over many years and has experienced many changes and stages since its origin. There is no single or similar opinion regarding the development process of human society. The history of human society goes back millions of years, looking across an expanded span of human existence. The famous anthropologist E.B. Tyler and Elias Morgan have presented three major stages of human society: savagery, barbarism, and civilization. According to them, society gradually developed and savagery through barbarism to civilization. Let's study these three stages of human society. Savagery stage are shown as preliminary, as this is the most preliminary stage of human society, which started around 2.5 million years ago. In this early stage, humans were grouped together together in small small scale societies such as bands. They gain their subsistence from gathering plants and hunting wild animals. The invention of fire, the use of arrow, and pottery were the major achievements of this stage. Major features of separation stage preliminary age like animals, humans live in forest and caves, human hunted animals and gather leaves and roots of plants as well as wild cereal grains in natural environments for food and livelihood. They develop techniques of making stone tools and weapons for hunting and security purposes.